stunters do not stunt on the bridges.
That's a nice shot. That is nice. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Erock Rodz, and we're out in Jersey City. We're heading over to Paul's Hook Ferry to go to the Mega Ride. Oh, they're leaving me. I gotta go. Yeah, I don't know if you guys remember the last year's ride, the big one, but this one is the Mega Ride, so it should be even bigger. Bigger than last year. Like some of the goons. It's Chino's birthday today. Chino up here. Happy birthday, Chino.
Yeah, that shit good.
Dang. Powerful Lithium's rolling deep. We're in downtown Manhattan. We're heading towards the Mega Ride, NYC Mega Ride. We met up with the Powerful Lithium boys at the shop, and we just took the ferry, and we're heading over to Battery Park at the meetup spot. Mr. E is already at work. We got the goons and the PL boys. This should be a fun day. It's going to be a lot of riders. This is a group ride on its own, and they're going to meet up with a bigger group.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh man, we got in trouble. Here we are, Battery Park. What's going on? How are you doing, Mike? So we are at the NYC Mega Ride. NYC Mega Ride, hosted by J Styles, Ebike, and Surron NYC. Everyone's out today. People from all over, all over. Oh, is that Dylan? Dylan Thompson? Dylan, right? What's going on, man? Erock, you helped me out with the Invoxia code a couple months ago.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Nice to see you out here.
They're a good sponsor of mine.
Yeah? Nice, cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, I've been enjoying your videos for a long time. Man, we got a lot of people out today. This is nuts. We got Gen City. Oh, we got Richie. I caught the action. I caught the. How are you? Nice to see you, Richie.
Likewise.
How are you, Jen? Nice to see you.
How are you?
Good. I think I saw JB somewhere. Oh, there he is. What's going on? How are you, JB? Nice to see you.
Right? Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, this is Garouche from Richmond, right?
Oh, nice, Erock. Nice to meet you.
Oh, you got the front and the back.
Dang. Can you see?
Number one thing is safety, and we're gonna have a great time. This was not easy to gather a lot of people here, but we made it happen. Shout out to everybody that came. The main part about this whole ride is to have everybody from different parts of the state to come together to share a passion we all have, just riding around, and of course being safe. To make this work and to make it safe, we are going to politely ask that all the stunters do not stunt on the bridges. Y'all can stunt everywhere else. If it's a two-way, we are staying on our side. I'm gonna say that again. If it is a two-way, we are staying on our side. Let's mount up, let's get ready.
out. Here we go. So we're gonna see a lot of stunting today. We're gonna try to stay in the middle to catch all the stunts. There's a lot of people, holy cow. Keeps going. Yeah, this has got to be like 200 people. What's going on, Matt? How are you?
Yeah, see your friend.
Erock, I met you a while ago.
How's it going, dude?
Nice to see you. What happened?
He really fell on the bike path.
Oh,
Like he might have slipped on something.
I'm squeezing through. This is nuts. This is too big of a group to keep together. I don't know how they're doing it. Oh! Mr. E. You got a crash. Hope he's okay. He's back up, so I think we're good.
Right spot! Right spot! Copy! Right spot!
This is gonna be nuts. Here we go. Holy cow. I'm going. We're going on the bridge.
Do not stunt on the bridges.
This is nuts. No stunting on the bridge. Everyone stay on the right side. No stunting on the bridge. Everyone stay on the right side. I'm just trying to watch all this craziness. Oh, there's KB. They're going. Nice. Nice. Look at this. This is absolutely nuts. Everyone's just coming off the bridge.
What's going on?
What's going on? What's your name?
John.
John Erock.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
I'm with the Super 73 Asbury crowd.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Cool. Yeah, this bike is fire.
Thank you, bro.
And we're going. JB360 on his bomber. I haven't seen the bomber in person.
Oh, really?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's big.
Dang. E Street Bikes. These people are
He deserves the ball.
going over his hose, whatever that was. Sick wheelies on that Mini. Dang. That's crazy. Don't cut it off. Mr. E. Johnny. You okay?
Alright.
I got it. I was right behind you, dude. I got it all on film. I
Send it to me.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm alright. Metal's great.
Oh, was it? Oh, okay. Dang. Ooh, that is nice. That is smooth, man. Ooh. Yeah, you're gonna see some of the sickest stunters out today. All the Surron Stunters come around. Okay, I'm calling it right now. This is going in Johnny's YouTube video. This is going in Mr. E's YouTube video. I know for a fact, because it's going in mine. Oh, man. Staying next to Cowboy Stunts. This is some nice riding, nice stunting, smooth. So smooth, so smooth.
Bike it over.
We're gonna cut this for now, take a break.